Hey guys, this is Deborah Holmes. I have the key to your destiny. Is something blocking you and your loved one from traveling, from going anywhere, from just on the weekends just because? Are you just living without a plan, no goals, not for your future, for next week, next month, next year? I have the key. How would you like to have fun with your family and friends without even worrying about how you're going to pay for it, or without worrying how you're going to get there? I have the key. How many of you have a vehicle like this? Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with this vehicle because it gets you from point A to point B. But how many know that so many hours that you work every week, you deserve something very nice, something that you want, not that something that somebody else told you can afford? How about this? Do you desire a vehicle like this with no payments? Because I got the key. Who would like to put this money towards a mortgage? Yeah, that's right, guys, a mortgage, not rent for double-digit years, 10 years plus, paying $7,000 and $9,000 and $1,000 a month. Who would like to have their own? I know I would. I got the key. You can have this. It could be yours from the ground up, guys. I mean, from the ground up. It's so awesome. I'm so excited about that because you can do this. I did. I have the key. Now, you know what your score is. I don't have to tell you. But guess what? Do you think the blue one or the red one will help you get that house or that car that you deserve, or that car or house that you desire, or that vacation that you desire after working so many hours a week? You figure that out. But guess what? Let me help you because I have the key. You can also make money in the process of getting your credit where you need it to be in order to be successful and get that car and that house and the vacations that you desire, because I have that key. Contact me, Deborah Barnhill Holmes, 252-525-4613. I'm so excited, can't wait to hear from you. You can find me on Facebook and Twitter because I have the key to unlock your destiny.